At the break of dawn, the journey of orange juice begins in vast orchards, where ripe fruit reaches peak sweetness under the morning sun. Each orange is carefully hand-picked for ensuring only the finest fruit continues the journey from tree to table. Quality of the fruits are considered mainly. Once the fruits are harvested, carefully transported to the factory for preserving the freshness, flavor, and the quality. Within hours, trucks arrive at the factory with thousands of oranges harvested. Quality inspectors are removed damaged or unripe fruits, for the strict standards move forward. Fruits are washed through a high-pressured water and rotating brushes to remove the dirt. Clean water streams wash away the impurities.
The synchronized machinery ensures every bottle is meticulously cleaned in this sterile environment before moving on to the filling stage.
Advanced scanners identify the sizes in milliseconds, colors and quality of each an orange, and sort them accurately. Technology ensures the consistency, efficiency, and minimal waste throughout the process. Now, the mechanical extractors gently press the oranges and release the juice. Juice flows freely after separating the seeds and peels. Juice is filtered to remove excess seeds and peels. Stainless steel tanks allow precise control over pulp levels to match consumer preferences. The juice is briefly heated during pasteurization to eliminate harmful microorganisms. Temperature and time is controlled to preserve nutrients. In some production lines, water is removed to create concentrated juice. After processed, the juice is rapidly cooled to prevent oxidation. After all, it's stored in temperature-controlled tanks, protected from light and air to protect the freshness. All the packaging and filling is done in a sterilized environment. Each bottle or a carton is sealed airtight to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Before leaving the factory, samples are tested in on-site labs. Finally, products prepared for shipment. Refrigerated trucks maintain the cold chain. From sunlit orchards to breakfast tables around the world, this is the science behind every glass of orange juice.